Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the environment and getting data in place. Create a virtualenv, activate it, then pip install Pandas, OpenPixel, NumPy, and Matplotlib so you have fast I/O and analysis tools. Once done, open a Python REPL or script and import Pandas as PD. Read Excel with sheet name equals none to inspect all sheets. Make sure to list columns, check D-types, and note missing values now. This saves headaches later. Then, load the primary sheet into a data frame for immediate work. You now transform raw cells into analysis-ready columns. Start by fixing D-types, use PD, to data time for dates and a stype int, or to numeric with errors equals coerce for numbers. This prevents silent errors. Once converted, handle missing values strategically. Drop irrelevant rows, fill no with zeros or forward fill, or impute by group means for better estimates. Next, normalize textual fields, strip, lower, and map categorical values. Finally, create calculated columns using vectors. You finish by summarizing and saving results so others can reuse them. Use df. Group B. Add call sum call to mean to create summary tables, then reset index for tidy output. For visuals, call Matplotlib or Seaborn to plot trends and distributions, label axes and save figures at high DPI. When everything looks right, export clean data with df. To Excel clean. XLSX index equals false or to CSV. If something goes wrong, check D-types and missing value handling first. Mismatched types often break aggregations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.